Hi guys, today we are going to make how to make gasopost. See here how much quantity we will get it. So this is just 10 rupees cost. Very costly, right? Very costly. So that is the reason today we will make it very cheap and best gasopost. So okay, let's start. We need totally 4 ingredients. One is baking soda and second one is citric acid. So we need second one is citric acid. Third one salt. We need salt. And fourth one jeera. So jeeragam we need. So we need 60% baking soda. 60% baking soda. And second one we need 40% citric acid. So these things we will get in supermarkets. So please don't comment where you will get and all those things. So we need 40% citric acid, 4 tablespoons jeera, approximately less than 1 spoon salt. Grind the jeera. Mix everything. Yeah. So once you mix it, salt. We mix it now. Citric acid and salt and baking soda. Mix it your jeeragam also, the jeera powder. Store in fridge. And whenever you need, use 1 tablespoon in water. Take glass of water and mix it here. Now you know is ready, or your gasopost ready. Okay guys. Done. Guys, your gasopost just ready in 2 rupees. So the cost is 10 rupees. You can see here the cost is 10 rupees, but we made it just 2 rupees. Okay guys, let's make it and enjoy. Bye.